I already got the Slywary headache hat for migraine relief, hot and cold therapy. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Came packaged really nicely in this box with a set of instructions for you that you may need to refer to. And it came with this plastic bag here that I'm actually going to use as a freezer bag. So this thing has a nice ergonomic design to it. It's a one size fits all. It's reusable, tear resistant, and leak proof, which is cool. And it's got this little cutout here for your nose. It feels really super soft, and it's just like a gel inside of here, and it feels great. With this design on here, it's stretchable, and you can put it over your whole head, so you get coverage around your whole entire head. And it also, since it's soft and comfortable, you can use it to lay down in the bed or on the couch or whatever, and you won't have any problems. Another cool feature is it's black, so it blocks light if you're having a migraine. This thing works two different ways. You can either throw it in the microwave, which I'll do right now, and then we'll throw it in the freezer, and we'll see how it works, how the cold side of it works. You got to put it in the bag first before you put it in the freezer, and you put it in there for 1.5 to 2 hours. Of course, that's going to vary depending on your freezer temperature and stuff. You want to make sure you don't have it too cold, but you might have to run a few tests just to check. If you're going to microwave it, they say make sure you obviously don't have the bag on there. They say to start at 30 seconds, but that also is going to vary depending on the temperature of the microwave. But I'm going to go ahead and let's do 15 seconds. Okay, let's do the other 15. So I just pulled it out of the microwave, and it is warm. It feels really good. I've got complete coverage around my forehead, underneath my eyes, right here my sinuses, temples, even the back of my neck. This thing feels awesome. Let's throw this thing in the freezer. I'm going to put it in this bag that it actually came with, and we'll throw it in the freezer for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Alright, I've had it in the freezer for a couple hours now. About 2 hours. Let's check it out. See how we did. Wow, look at that. Some moisture on there. It's cold. It's cold, but still elastic. Still very elastic. Stretchy. The gel is still soft in there, but it is definitely cold. Woo! Wow, yeah. Obviously the same as before, but cold. I got total coverage all the way around my head, almost to the top of my head. My forehead, my sinuses, my temples, my eyes, I can feel it. Actually feels really good. Down the back of my neck. So if you're looking for something you can use for headache relief, puffy eyes, tension, sinus, or stress relief, check out this headache hat by Slywary.